Bring the footage to the timeline. This footage do not have its own audio, so bring another one which have its own audio. Now to add audio visualizer, go to left side, graphics, overlay, see more, scroll down, audio visualizer, left click, drag and drop to the timeline, give it same length as our project. Now if we move the playhead, as you can see there is no action for audio visualizer, but if we move it to second clip, there is some action. Go back to media tab again. Now suppose we want to add the new music. Now we don't need original one anymore. To mute the original one, just click on this sound icon. Done. To customize the audio visualizer, select the layer, then go to right side, transform, adjust the size, position it where you want, align bottom. Now if we uncheck the display as bars, as you can see we have another kind of visualizer. Also we can add some color changing effect. For that, go to effect, scroll down, color shift. Now the visualizer color will change periodically. Let's see what we have so far. See, it's really that simple. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.